This is how you fold a fitted sheet. The fitted sheet. Step number 1, turn it inside out. You want the vibrant side on the inside and the dull side on the outside. Step number 2, there's 2 different lengths to your sheet. Basically, there's a short side and there's a long side. You want to find the long side of your sheet. When you find the long side of your sheet, you're going to want to place your arm and your hand inside. So you're going to place it in like this. And you want to have your hand open like you're going to give someone a high five. So in like this, hanging from your arm. Hand open like you're giving a high five. Okay, hands in each corner like I showed you up close. Put one hand in one corner, one hand in the other corner. The rest should be hanging beneath you, okay? I highly recommend to do this on a bed. I feel like it's much more convenient and easy to see what you're doing than just doing it in the open, such as like this. I feel like having a surface to do it on is the easiest way, and I recommend to do it on a bed, not a couch, not the floor. I recommend to do it here in your room. So you're gonna take your hands, open them up wide. You're gonna connect them together like you're giving yourself a high five. Put your hands together, so like this, okay? Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your fingers and you're gonna pinch the sheet. I'm gonna show you up close. Hands together, pinch. So basically I'm going to show you from the outside. My hands open and I'm going to pinch. I'm going to pinch it so you can take your... So we have our pinched side. Now you're going to remove one of your arms, the one that's not pinching anything. My arm is free. Okay. You have one that's dangling, right? You're going to take the dangling side and you're going to put it over the top of your other arm. Keep pinching. Don't forget to keep pinching. Don't let go. So you want to make it look nice on your arm. You want it to be all even. So now you have all of this, right? You're going to want it to be all facing the same way. So you don't want it to be inside out anymore. Now you want it to be the right side. So you're going to turn it right side out. Keep pinching, don't let go. Okay, now that we have it all the right way, facing the right way now, and we're still pinching, we're still holding, We're still holding and we still have our hand in here, okay? Like a high five. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna take this hand and you're gonna slide it in like you're giving yourself a high five. And then this hand that was in there holding it, you're gonna wanna take it out. Okay? So my hand is right here, okay? Make it look nice. So you're gonna wanna take your hand, put it in here like you're giving yourself a high five. Like this, okay? And you're gonna wanna go along the wrinkles. Take your hand along the wrinkles. Along the elastic part. You want to go all the way to the end till you hit the corner. So now both of your hands are in the corner of the elastic side, okay? Where they curve. Now you're going to want to shake it out like this. So now that you have both hands in each side, remember, you want to have one hand in one corner, go along the elastic, put your hand in the other corner like this. Shake it out. Now what you're going to do is you're going to lay it down on your bed or your surface. Now make it look pretty. It should look like an upside down U. It should curve over. Just make it look like a box or a rectangle. You want to make it look nice as you can. Now you're gonna take the top part right here, grab both corners, and you're gonna wanna flip it in the middle. Flip in the middle. What I like to do is I like to hold my hand on one side, take my arm on the other, and run my arm. It takes all the air out. Makes it easier to work with. So now that we have our sheet folded in the middle, now you're going to want to take the bottom, fold it up. It's kind of fluffy, so take your hand, put it on the end, take your arm, go along, push all the air out. Makes it easier to work with, makes it more flat. Now take one end, fold it to the middle. Put your hand in your arm, push all the air out. Now flip it one more time. Take your hand or your arm, push all the air out. This is how you fold a fitted sheet. How I highly recommend you to store your sheet is to stack your sheet on top of one another like this with your fitted, your top sheet, your pillowcase. Now I want you to just put it on the inside of your pillowcase. You're gonna have all this extra fabric. Tuck it, grab it right here, pinch it, and tuck your pillowcase inside. Push all the way to the back. It should be nice and snug. Now you have a folded sheet set, wrapped in a pillowcase nicely, and you know which sheet is which sheet. They're all put together. They're all organized nicely, and it's pleasing to the eye. Thank you for folding a fitted sheet with me today. I hope it helped you in some sort of way. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Happy folding.